Somewhere in my childhood, I longed to be a nurse. I'd cure all of my patients. No one would die or grow worse. I wanted to be Florence Nightingale, Clara Barton too. Everything that Anne Sullivan did for Helen Keller, why, that's just what I would have done too. In nursing school we wrote care plans and used our hearts and used our hands, remind me. We saw each patient as a whole. We nurtured body, mind, and soul. At the bedside is where you'd find me. There've been many changes through the ages. Some seem better, some seem worse. But if you want to see true conviction, look into the eyes of a nurse. If patients handle all they see with courage and dignity, why,